Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Chris Bradley, owner of the MRR agency and fitnessads.ai. I want to talk to you today about the unicorn principle, the principle that we use in our processes for creating ads that get attention, but more than get attention, they make our businesses money. I've went quite old school today with some printouts on my very old printer, but there's four kind of key concepts that I want to talk to you about today with the absolute desire for you to look at it, take action, audit your ads, content, marketing. It's all going to be very, very similar. It can apply to all three, but ultimately it's for you to watch what I'm going to teach you here, learn from it, implement it, get a cheaper cost per lead, cheaper cost per client, and ultimately grow your business. Okay, so first things first, we have the very, very popular meme, which is the three Spider-Men pointing at each other. Now, the reason I wanted to talk about this is really simple, because we take a lot of gyms and a lot of online coaches on board, and this is the market and this is what they look like. Man, there's honestly some fitness business coaches and stuff out there that may as well share a bank account. They just look the exact same. And so when you look the exact same, it's pretty obvious. When you create content to people's eyes, they see the same stuff, they just think that's the same as everything else. And so what do? They move away. It's more about what they don't do, which is click and buy and inquire. And so I'm seeing this more and more these days, especially post-COVID, because a lot of fitness businesses started during COVID because they kind of thought it was easy and some people wanted help online. And now we're really starting to see businesses struggle because they just look the same as everybody else. Now this is the same for gyms. Like, gyms opened up and they're just copycats of each other. Like, they've even bought the same kit from the same place and set up the gym in the same way. And that's ultimately my fear as a business, because it's hard enough to get attention and get eyeballs and make sales without you just blending in with everybody else, right? And we're now in 2025 and this is becoming more apparent, and we're starting to see businesses struggle because of this. So we really need to understand where you sit in your city or in your niche and how much you're blending in. So all you have to do is a quick audit and look at it. Like, if you help menopause women, have a look at the menopausal women in your city or in your ecosystem of, like, let's say for example you're in England and there's other menopause coaches, and then look at the UK and then look at worldwide. Where does the market leader sit and where do you sit? And wherever you sit, who's the people around about you? The chances are you're looking and sounding the same as all of them. And the ones who are doing really well, they have, like, the cream rise to the top, and they are probably very unique. They probably position themselves in a very unique way. They probably talk in a unique way, whether it's from their story, whether it's their offer that's great, whether it's their marketing, whatever it is. You need to understand this and be very honest with yourself. Don't just go, no, I'm unique because I have a story from 20 years ago. It's not enough, right? You have to have more than that. It's part of it, but it's not enough. Okay, and the next big worrying thing here, I'm not sure if you're familiar with what this is, but if you run ads and you have a gym and a coaching business, you'll know what this is. This is essentially a Canva template link. So when someone sends you a Canva template link, you click on it and it opens up this template. Now what this does is allow you to just plug in your logo and stuff and then run your ads. Now the reason that this is absolutely shocking is all these large marketing agencies, they are basically giving you templates. And so not only are you already looking like this, you're getting templates to market your business. Now this is happening with content courses now, these copy and paste content courses that solve literally one problem, which is content, and you guys are spending a lot of money on it. You're already not standing out, and then you think in order to stand out, you go and get copy and paste stuff. And the next thing you know, you're just blending in even more. Maybe, like if you've never ran ads before or ever run certain campaigns before, you'll get initial kind of sales from it because it's like the people that have given you the templates have worked on the psychology or whatever of it, but it will last about 4 or 5 weeks max, and then you'll ask for another template and you'll just be copy and paste. And then when big shifts happen, like which is happening right now in the market, people don't trust people as much anymore, ads are more expensive. When big shifts happen, only the ones who are innovating and are unique will actually survive. So now all these people that have been using templates are struggling the most, okay? So stay away from templates. Everything for your business should be built unique to you. And this takes us on to our next point, right? Now, there is a massive rise right now in social media content, people going viral and personal brand companies and all of this stuff. But I want you to understand this here from watching this video. Belief does not equal attention, okay? Belief does not equal attention. So everybody's focusing on this right now, getting attention, getting eyeballs. Oh, that's what you have to do in the first 3-4 seconds. Absolutely part of it. But understand that just because you got someone's attention did not mean you got their belief. I want you to think about all the stuff that you get hooked on social media with a dopamine hit, and understand that this stuff that you get hooked on is just getting your attention. It doesn't mean you believe in the thing or buy the product or anything like that, right? Now, you're not on there to give people entertainment on social media. You're here, you're on there to show them content that's unique, that's not templated, to make them believe, either believe in your service, believe in you, or believe in themselves to take action and get motivated and change their life. Whether it's with you or not, that's the value part of it. So you need to understand belief does not equal attention. So if you're away buying these content courses from social media and stuff like that, by the way, by the time they create it and give you it and you buy it, it's already moved on. It's moving that quick. So these people aren't actually teaching you how to make people believe in your stuff, believe in your services, and ultimately buy from you and grow your business. So understand that. And the next part is the most important part, is the business that I now started, and it's the first ever fitness marketing platform specifically for ads for gyms, online coaches, menopause coaches, yogas, practitioners, everything. It's fitnessads.ai. Now the reason here we have a unicorn, it's very, very simple. I don't want to draw on it in case I use it. Fitnessads.ai. We started this business because of all of this. This is literally the reason we started it. You know, we have over 80 clients in our main program, and they come to us templated stuff. Everything's copy paste, they all look the same, and they're trying to get attention, but no one believes in their stuff because the analytics show it. There's no comments, there's no replies to stories, there's no one filling in their forms to inquire to work with them. Their ads are shocking, their ads are costing a fortune, 15, 18, 20, 30 pound a lead, and because they're not making people believe in their stuff. And this is where the unicorn principle comes in. The unicorn principle is basically the exact opposite of all of this. We make people believe. Yes, there's a part we need to get their attention in order to make them believe. There's a part of that, but fundamentally it all comes from making them believe first. We make you stand out as a business. That's what a unicorn is. It's its own right, it's its own mythical creature. You can't get anything close to it. If anything, I'm not even going to draw a horse. What this all is like a horse with a cone on its head, whereas this is actually, you know, a principle doing the opposite of all of this so that you can be proud of the marketing that you put out there. And by doing it, it's not about rubbing the ego and going, oh, we're different. It's about making money and growing your business. And that has to come from doing the opposite of what everyone else does. So that is the unicorn principle. I'm going to talk about it a lot more. I'll potentially add a link at the end of this video when we start adding more, but right now the link at the end of this video is going to be my full disruptive ad system to do all of this, achieve the unicorn stuff. If you're nosy and you want to check out fitnessads.ai, go and have a look right now as you're watching this video. We have a waiting list for beta testers. You might be watching this further down the line. If not, if that's the case, sorry, this will be fully up and running, and you'll be able to get a trial, maybe sign up and stuff so that you can start to build your own unicorn ads. And that's it. You can click the video. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for your time. Go and build some unicorn ads.